Hello students, this is Abdelkader Ouda. Welcome again to ES 1036 video series. In this video we'll talk about the decision structure and the if statement in Java. Let's get started. Quite often in our program you will have a statement that you want to execute only under certain circumstances. If those circumstances exist, you execute the statement. But if those circumstances don't exist, then you skip the statement. This kind of behavior can be achieved with a decision structure. The simplest type of decision structure in Java is the if statement. Here is the general format of if statement. It starts by the keyword if, then a Boolean expression between two brackets. The Boolean expression is the expression that may have the value true or false. Then another statement. Now the if statement works like this. When the statement executes, this Boolean expression is tested. If it is true, then this statement is executed. However, if this expression is false, then this statement is skipped. This table here shows the most common operators we use for the regular expression. Greater than, less than, greater than or equal, less than or equal, equal or not equal. For example, I can write expression like this: age greater than 60. This expression means that when the value of age is 60 or more, the expression is true. Otherwise, the expression is false. I can also write something like this: x less than 25. This means that when the value of x less than 25, the expression is true. Otherwise, the expression is false. Also, I can write something like this: price greater than or equal to 100. That means when the value of the price 100 or more, the expression is true. Otherwise, the expression is false. Sometimes we need to execute more than one statement when the value of this expression is true. To do so, we write a block of statements, and the block of statement is simply enclosed between two curly brackets. So when we have statement 1 and the statement 2 between these two curly brackets, this form one block of a statement, and this is how this if statement works. If the expression is true, both statement 1 then statement 2 will be executed. However, if the value of the expression is false, statement 1 and statement 2 will be skipped and we execute the next statement here. Remember, if we don't use curly braces in the if statement, this statement is the only statement that is conditionally executed, and this semicolon ends this if statement. However, if we need to execute all of them based on the evaluation of the expression, we have to include them between curly braces. Let us now talk about if-else statement. If-else statement add the ability to execute a statement when this expression is false. This is here the general format for if-else statement. It says if this expression is true, then execute this statement and ignore the second one and continue the execution for the rest of the program. However, if this expression is false, skip the first statement and execute the statement after else, and then continue the execution here. So let us now consider this example. In this program we have two variables x and y, and we read an integer value for x and another integer value for y, and you can see here we have if statement to check whether x greater than y, to display the message x is greater than y. If x is equal to y, we display the message x is equal to y. If x is not equal to y, we have here three statements to be executed. We display x is not equal to y, and then we assign the value y to the variable x, and then we write again here however now it is. So if we let us run this program and show all the possible combination when the first expression is true or when this expression is false, and evaluate the rest of expressions. So let us start here by the value of x to be greater than the value of y, so that the first statement is executed. So I add here 20 for x and 10 for y. You can see here this expression is true, and then we display the first message, and then x is not equal to y, so this expression is false. Then we don't display x is equal to y, and then x is not equal to y, 20 is not equal to 10, this is true. Then we're going to execute these three statements. First we write x is not equal to y, and then we assign y to x, and then display a message however now it is. If we run this again and give another values, let us say both of them are equal, x equal 10, y equal 10, then the first expression is false, we don't display this message. The second expression is true, then we display this message, which is x is equal to y, and then this expression is false, we skip these three statements. Let us have another example. Let us make x less than y. So x is 10, y is 20. That means the first expression here is false. Second expression here is also false. So both of these statements are ignored. And then x is not equal to y. Then these three statements will be executed. The first one will display x is not equal to y, and then do the assignment statement and display the third message however now it is. Okay, thanks for watching, and I wish that you find this video informative. Goodbye.